Hi guys, so I'm back with another video and I just want to show you guys a simple meal. All you need is broccoli, shrimp, and yellow rice. So I have my water boiling right now, and then I'm going to go ahead and prep my shrimp. So I'm going to just add some Cajun seasoning, okay, just a little bit, and then I'm going to add some turmeric. Now turmeric is really good for you. You can research on it. It's really healthy. So I'm going to add some organic turmeric, and then I'm going to just add a little bit of black pepper. You guys already know I don't cook with salt, okay? I'm not gonna talk about it. I don't do it. So anyways, going to use a fork just to get the seasoning inside of my shrimp, get it all in there. This meal is so delicious, guys. You have to try it out, and it's so easy, so simple, and it's so affordable. I got everything from Aldi's. I love Aldi's. So I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to go ahead and cook my shrimp. I'm going to cook my shrimp on low heat for about 15 minutes or so, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and prep my rice, okay? Basically mean I'm going to add the rice to the water. This is so easy. It's so easy. So anyways, my water is boiling, right? So I use about 2 cups of water, and I put a little bit of olive oil in there. I got everything from Aldi's, guys. Very affordable. Aldi's is my favorite store. The rice was only $1.19, okay? The shrimp, I can't remember, maybe $5, $6. And the broccoli, maybe $2. So very affordable meal. If you're cooking this for a larger family, then just double everything I did. So 2 boxes of rice, 2 boxes of shrimp, 2 bags of shrimp, and 2 bags or a bag and a half of broccoli, okay? So like I said, 2 cups of water. I am going to add some water later on in the video, and you'll see me do that, okay? So anyways, my shrimp is being cooked on low, and then I'm going to add the bag of broccoli into the shrimp, okay? And cook that for a little bit. I don't cook the shrimp for a long time because you don't want your shrimp to be like rubbery or anything like that. Look at that rice. That rice is so good. This is my favorite rice from Aldi's. It comes out perfectly. As long as you don't put in too much water, you are good to go. Like I said, 2 cups of water or 2.5 cups of water, and you're good, okay? I don't really follow the instructions, so that's what I do. So you do what you do, but this is how I do it. Like I said, this meal is so good. So if you guys try this meal out, please come back and let me know how the meal was for you and your family, okay? So anyways, I'm going to add a bag of broccoli into my shrimp. And I'm going to just leave this on low for about 10 minutes or so, just to get the broccoli nice and soft. So I'm going to cover it up so that way the steam and the heat basically do the cooking of the broccoli. Now this is what I say. When you cook something like this, a quick meal like this, I say stay in the kitchen so that way you don't burn your food, okay? Don't walk away, because it doesn't really take long to cook this, so it's really easy to burn it, if that makes any sense, okay? Look at that rice, it looks so good. So anyways, I'm going to add my broccoli. Go ahead and turn off that stove on that side and add my broccoli. And once I'm doing that, I'm going to add about a half a cup of water, because I don't want my food to burn and I don't want my rice to be dry, okay? As you guys can see, a lot of the water was gone from the rice. So I want to make sure that it's just the right texture. So add about a half a cup of water, okay? Look at that, it looks so good. Now it will be completely done when all the water is out of the pot. Oh my gosh, guys, enjoy this meal. You know, everything is like closed. I'm not really going to restaurants, so I want to make something, you know, a little fancy at home every once in a while. I call this a little fancy, you know. So anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace and love, and as always, God bless. Bye, guys.